Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we are going to discuss about how to copy an array. Okay, what is the procedure of copy an array into some other variable? Okay, it seems to be very simple, but it's not because this is not uh, as simply assigning to the variable because there is some implicit mechanism is there that is actually it's a call by reference and call by value kind of thing or deep copy or shallow copy kind of thing. If you want to know about it, you need to refer to the Python basics. Okay, just I will try to explain here uh, it as well. Okay, no problem. So the idea is if you have an array, NumPy array is already available to you, and if you wanna that array to be copied to the another variable, how to do it? Okay, so let's study the theory part, and then we'll switch over to our Jupyter notebook. So if you just assign a portion of an array to another array, the new array you just created actually refers to the parent array in the memory. So if you do a simple business of assigning to an array, the contents, the original contents will not copy to that array friends, because the reference of that array will be given to the variable like call by reference. So if you change any value in this array, it will reflect in the parent array also because it will not copy the contents of the array, it will copy the reference only. So it will refer to the original content in the memory. I think it is little bit confusing to you, but if you know the topics of call by reference and call by value or deep copy or shallow copy kind of things, then it is very easy for you. Okay, so that means if you make any changes to the new array, it will reflect in the parent array as well. Okay, so to avoid disturbing the parent array, you need to make copy of it using copy method. All NumPy arrays come with the copy method. What it tells is, let us explain with an simple example so that you can understand. So let's same old example, one nested array, nested list we have taken and we have passed it to the array method to convert that list into a NumPy array. And then what is the objective of this class? How to copy an available array. So the array is available, NumPy array is available as ARR here, and I want to copy not all the portion, some here we already discussed this indexing. Through indexing we have selected some portion of this array and that portion we have to copy it to a variable. Okay, let us see it. Array of colon 2, that means row part we have 0. So if it doesn't, if we doesn't mention the left side, and then it defaultly take from 0 to 2, and then columns also 0 to 2. So the some portion of the array will come to ARR1. Then we had assigned in this array 1, we had assigned 20 to the element which was indexed by it 20. Okay, so let's move to the Jupyter notebook so that all these tons of words will not understand to you. Just if I execute it in Jupyter notebook, then you can able to see it, because say 100 one image worth one image is very good for you to understand when compared to a thousands of words. Okay, let us see it visually, friends. Let's jump into the Jupyter notebook. Okay, and then let us let us okay, up to here it is needed. Rest of the positions we will delete it, and we had inserted one new cell. Okay, had taken list and we have converted into an NumPy array, and array is available. So this is the array we had in our hands. Okay, so the topic now is, if you want to copy some portion of this array into some other variable, how to do it? Okay, let's do, say some array 1. Okay, array 1 is equal to array of, we select the portion of the array by using indexing. What indexing? Say some 2 comma and 2. Let's do it. Okay, or otherwise I will not assign, just I will show which elements will be selected if we give this index. So 0 0, from 0 to 2 rows, that means 0 1 2. 2 means always it will do -1, that means 0, this row and this row will be selected, and then columns 0 to 2, that means 0 1 2. 2 minus 1 means 1, so these columns will be selected, first and second. So what are the intersections? 1 4 2 5 will come. See, 1 4 2 5, because these are the, this 4 will match to this indexing, so that 1 2 4 5 will come. Okay, so now we need 1 2 4 5 to store, to copy this portion into one separate variable. Then what we will do? Generally ARR of 2 comma 2. Okay, this is, we are assigning to ARR one variable. Okay, we had assigned. Now let us see the contents available in array 1 here. Let's run it. Yes, it up to this point it is fine. So 1 2 4 5 is already there here. Okay, say suppose if you change the element of array 1, let us see it. If you change an element which is available in array 1, what will happen? We will see now. ARR 1 of 1, say 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 element is what? Here. This is the first element. Okay, let us make it as 10. Okay, right. So now see what array 1 element variable contains. Okay, here 1 is there. After assigning 10 to this position through indexing, array 1 will store, will get 10 as a first element. Okay, so all these operations, you please remember, is we are doing it as in the array 1. Okay, now let us check the main array ARR. You see, array 1 is created by slicing main array after this what we have done? We have done assign 10 value to the first position, and we have checked also array 1. Let us now check ARR contents. That means it should be like this, but what happened we will see. Wow, you see, instead of giving this one, it is giving here. See the first element 10, but here it is 1. How it is happening? We doesn't do any operation on ARR directly, but we did operation on ARR 1. How it is happening? This is what the thing is all about. So if you copied this ARR indexed elements to this one, it will not give the values directly, it will give the reference, so that if any changes will be done in this variable, that changes will also reflect in this array also. This is what is happening here. Okay, so this is the problem. So the main array is also disturbed by performing this operation, cell number 36 operation. Okay, so in order to avoid it, in order to do the pure copy, we generally go for copy method. Okay, so let us see it now. So ARR, what we did, 10. Okay, so let us do it ARR2 is equal to ARR. Let us take this array as it is, 2 comma 2 dot copy, copy. You need to specify it. Then you see ARR2. Okay, 10 to 4 5 is came up. Now I am assigning the first element, that means 0 comma 0 as 20 this time. Let us run it. It was executed. Now see the contents available in the array 2. Yeah, it was replaced successfully. 10 was replaced by 20 successfully. Now we will check the main array whether it was changed this time or not. ARR. See, it was not changed. The same 10 is available here also, even though we did operation here. That means the changes is not reflected in the parent array because we had used copy method. If you doesn't use this copy method, and if you assign directly to this array, then reference will be copied. If you don't want that, you need to use dot copy method. Okay friends, this is the difference between normal assigning and by using copy method of copying array elements. Okay, so in the next class we will see some more topics, friends, and till then, bye bye. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.